the arm curl machine. This one is from Matrix. As you can see, I'll just point to this little red dot here. That is where the it's called the access point, and that's where you're going to put your elbow. So you want to adjust the seat to the height that you need it for, and then from here you're going to slide into the position and make sure that your chest is up against the rest. Okay, and then get your access point, and then from here you're going to lift the two handles towards your face. It's really important with this machine that you ensure that the back of your arms are up against the rest at all times, because what you want to do is focus on isolating bicep muscle. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.